Okay, now question 9. Question 9 here says, can you think and answer how a reporter enzyme can be used in monitor transformation of a host by foreign DNA in addition to a selectable marker? Okay, so the answer to this will be something like this. The reporter enzyme can be used to differentiate transformation of cells by tracking down the activity of its corresponding genes or receptor gene. Remember, reporter does what? A journalist or reporter does what? It will focus things and it will report things. It will find things and it will report things. In the same manner, this enzyme will can be used to differentiate transformation cells by tracking them down, finding activities of its corresponding genes. For example, beta galactosidase, that is LAGZ, activity is not found in transformation cells so that they appear white in color. So when this particular activity is not found, they are white in color. Simple. That's it. The others will appear blue in color, which indicates that the cells do not carry foreign DNA. So if they have foreign DNA, they'll be white in color. If they don't have it, they'll be blue in color. Okay, students, so this is your question number 9.